About this item, iMah BT183342/BT283342 2.4V 400mAh NIMH battery pack. Repulse of the original VTech DM221 audio baby monitor battery. Also replace of the original cordless phone battery pack BT283342/BT283342 BT166342/BT266342 BT162342/BT262342 2SN AAA 40HSX2 over voltage, over current, overcharge, short circuit protection. Best wire length for the space. Come with two iMah BT183342/BT283342 2.4V 400mAh NIMH battery packs. Save money instead of purchasing new cordless phone handsets compatible with VTech telephone models. CS6114, CS61241, CS6199, CS6309, CS6319, CS6328, CS6329, CS6400, CS6409, CS6419, CS6429, CS6449, CS6509, CS6519, CS6529, CS6609, CS6619, CS6629, CS6649, CS6709, CS6719, CS6729, CS6829, CS6859, CS80100, CS81100, DS60